Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust your sounds in Rocket League Sideswipe. To do this, you'll need to press on the settings button, then game settings, audio, and from here you'll be able to adjust any option depending on the sound. So for example, gameplay volume, you can set it to whatever percentage you want. The same as with music volume. Here you can pick if you want music to play in menu, mute entire music, always on, so when you be playing and in menu and in training, anytime music will be on, then in training only and menu only. Then you can change listening mode to adjust audio to better suit the listening device. So I have speakers, but if I would have any headphones connected, I could change it to headphones, and it would improve the quality from receiving like music. And here you can enable setting that will automatically update listening mode, this setting. So when you plug in your headphones, it will automatically detect them and change to headphones like this. So you can enable that or disable that to do it manually. And here you can just reset all of the settings to default if you want to go back to your main settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.